Thanks for stopping by the channel, guys. Relic Blade here. I turned on the rain. I just feel like it's real relaxing. I rarely like it on when I'm playing. I want to be able to see the Google Earth imagery. But I'm glad I did. I forgot how relaxing it is. This airport's flooded. But we're getting out of here safely. I got the F-22 Breedock version out. A lot of power. This will just be a nice, relaxing, fly around, I guess we'll call it. You know how I do it. In the NFL this week, I'm looking forward to 2 games for sure. My Buffalo Bills play Jacksonville. Both teams have to travel to London, England. It's definitely not going to be good for fatigue, but I'm still glad the NFL is doing that. My Bills need another win. We got to stay on track. I think we get it. I'm going to say 31-17. We win that game. The second game, which is probably the game of the week, is San Francisco 49ers versus the Dallas Cowboys. I feel like the Cowboys are due to beat them, and if not this year, what year? So I'm going to go ahead and give it to them. I feel like that's an impossible game to predict right now. Purdy's bound to struggle. That would be the defense that could make that happen. So let's say Dallas wins 24-21. I think it's going to be back and forth, a lot of defense. So, yeah, Dallas 24-21. We'll see what happens. Thank you for watching, guys.